Hey guys, let's see the unboxing and review of S20 Ultra 5G. I bought this in an exchange of my S7H and got a 300 discount. As you can see, I also got this Samsung Galaxy offer and Spotify for 6 months and YouTube Premium for 4 months. So these are the free gifts you can say, and the overall money I spent is around $1,000 100 for this S20. Now let's see what we got inside this box. So it's a thing like a receipt for the purchase. Okay, that's we have. And we have this box by Samsung, which is sturdy, pretty good box. And as you can see, it has all the details listed over here. It is unlock phone again, I would say. And now let's open the box. So the packing is pretty good. You can see it's very difficult to. So let me take this out, and this is the phone. As you can see, the specs are like a 6.9-inch screen, which is very huge, and this is the fingerprint sensor. So on this top of this mobile, you can see this is a protective layer which is removable, and then they have given a screen protector from themselves, which is nice. Okay, we will see how the smoothness of this mobile. Let Okay, on the back side we have this Samsung title, and then this is the 1008p camera. It has four lenses, and you can do 100x zoom from this mobile. Okay, so it is pretty heavy, and let's place that over there. And now let's see what we are getting inside. This is the charger. Okay, it is a fast charger. It has USB-C port both the side, like for the phone and the charger. And then this is a charging cable. The length is quite good, and both again it is USB-C in the charger and in the mobile USB type C. And then we have this AKJ headphone, not a headphone, earphone from AKJ, and which is pretty good. I know the sound quality of this AKJ is very good, and it is very long, and the wire is foldable. These are the earbuds for different sizes. Okay, and what is this? This is kind of some box, but I did not get anything inside that. Okay, I don't know why, but it is an empty box. And okay, and then we have a box over here which is got fixed inside this. Let me open that. Okay, so this is the small box. In that we have this pin, a small pin for removing the SIM slot and memory card slot. So that's the pin we got in this box, and some manuals and warranty card I think in the box we are going to see. So let's open that. Okay, so some paperwork, warranty card, and this is again, it says that it has a screen protector, and then some cards stuff for if you want to see that. So manual, if you don't know how to use the phone, you can read this and you can get information about your phone. Now let's start the phone. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel Wise Man. Enjoy the opening of the phone. Thank you.
Let's get started. Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.